Hello guys, this is Amir Hossein. Welcome to Online Income Generation YouTube channel. I want to introduce you a website that you can earn money just with URL shortening. Very fantastic. If you have a website, if you have social medias, you have many visitors. If you have many visitors, you can earn money very easy with just URL shortener. Every 1,000 visits with this URL shortener, you earn $20. And so fantastic. For example, if you have just 1,000 visitors in your website or in your social medias, you can earn $600 a month just with this URL shortener. You can use this website in shrinkearn.com, highest paying URL shortener of 2024. You can set your URL here. For example, I use instagram.com for testing. I'm not a robot. And so what? I need to sign up, register a new membership, okay? After sign up, I need to sign in. Okay, I signed in. This is the dashboard here. Statistics, manage links, withdraw, tools, referrals, and etc. Dear users, our another shortener shrink.p CPM is revised. Please check its CPM rate. Okay. To post our shortened links on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube without any problem, please visit the website. That means you can shorten your URLs in any social medias. Very fantastic way. I think if you have many visitors in social medias or your websites, it's the best way for earning money without any problem. If you have any experience with working with this shrinkearn.com, please write your comments below and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, because every week I teach you the ways for getting money in online platforms like Shrinkearn or something else. Okay, for withdraw, how can you do this? Okay, you can see your withdrawal funds here, available balance, pending withdrawal, pending withdrawn, and total withdrawal. First of all, you should fill your withdrawal info from your profile settings. Our settings are here: first name, last name, address, city, state, country, zip code, phone number, and withdrawal method. These are the withdrawal method: Payer, web money, RTM, and etc. And these are the minimum withdrawal amount. For now, I don't have enough visitors in my YouTube channel, but after maybe 1 or 2 months later, I will use Shrinkearn because so sweet income. Let's look together the other sections. Referrals. You can use referrals code from here. For example, if you have a banner in your website like this, you can use your referral code. The tools section: quick link, mass shrinker, full page script, developers API, and bookmarklet. You can manage links from here. Advertising type and hidden links. You can understand how many people view your shortened link from the dashboard, the statistics here. And these are another websites that you can earn money from. These websites like adfolk.us, and with this website you can earn $16.50 per 1,000 visits. That's less than Shrinkearn. And shrinkme.io give you $220 for every 10,000 views. Fantastic. Okay guys, don't forget to like the video and comment and subscribe the channel for getting more information about the online ways of earning money. Okay, bye bye.